And last bit we haven't checked yet on that dashboard and report function is the presets. These presets are here to help you with the setting up the system at the fresh, or whenever you have a new application, so you don't need to do it by yourself. So as you can see, we have here a set preset for Microsoft, for social network, for streaming, for antivirus application. So this way it will actually help you to create dashboards, widgets, reporting, chapters for the profiles as well, to give you that understanding what is here. So let's see, we have selected something which is there already, so you can select multiple, of course. So let's say we select these two and we go to install, so you can overview what we are going to create. So now which users, so you can add additional users to the same thing and move to the next step, where you say, okay, I want it based on on all sources. I want to create a shadow, or I can say I want to create real profiles with certain size. So you can move based on what we have. We keep the shadow and recalculate for 1 day of history. That helps you to see right away to what is being processed, because otherwise you need to wait for that to get the data. And once it's verified, you can select which part of the content is being to install. So profile, chapters, reports, dashboard. So if you say, I don't care about dashboards, I want just the reporting, profiles, and chapters, then it will be done.